Let me invite the former Minister for Works, the bulldozer, the Adola of Europe, Honorable Mike Onolumere.
Now well done, oh. It's with me for Bellaway as I did here today. Because as I the past, you see that story building, nice story building for MPDC. Now we are proven for Federal Executive Council about 2.5 years ago. That is evidence of good governance. We can tell you how much that they built that place. If I went at the corner, they say this road reach about 19 billion naira. I say, I know it at the top. That one at the money when we take built from Dancing Street to Ofosu. You can imagine, 19 billion, if I have 19 billion here, at 600 million per kilometer, and I know how many, I'll do 30 kilometers with that money. That is the federal government standard. So this is what we are talking about. In the past 8 years, there have not been any accountability in governance in Edo State. Because the government we have had in the past 8 years has been built on deceit. It's a government of deceit, and the time has come for us to change that government. I want you to know, I think it is about time we did just that. And we thank God the PDP has thrown up for you and for all of us. A man who is God-fearing, who is experienced, who is well educated, and who have the calling to serve as governor of Edo State. I'm telling you, I want to let you know, of all the people contesting for governorship in Edo State today, no one is as qualified as Pastor Saje Ezeyamo. And when you look at the agenda he has formulated, the simple agenda that he has come up with, one of the cardinal programs in the simple agenda is infrastructure development and urban renewal. And I want you to know that in Ekomba community, this community will stand today. This is the future of Edo State. This will be the new Empire City location in Edo State. This will be the industrial hub in Edo State. I'm telling you because I know it. And you already boast of two major parastatals of the NNPC, the IDSA and the MPDC. So be rest assured, all you just need to do is to come out on that day, September 10th, leave no one behind, leave no adult behind. Your neighbor, your son, your mother, your brother, your sister, you must go to the polling booth with them and make sure they vote PDP so that with that your vote, we can change the deceitful government of Edo State. I can assure you, when you do that, happy days will be back again in Edo State. When you do that, our governor, Pastor Saje Ezeyamo, with his able deputy, John Yakubu, they will transform the face of Edo State in a way we have never seen before. This is the time. PDP is the party, it is able and ready and experienced to transform Edo State. The past 8 years have been years of the locust. Our commonwealth has been misappropriated, the people have been deceived. In fact, I'm sure that all of you here must have suffered in one way or the other about the multiple taxation in Edo State. Which kind of government be this? Wayo government. So to change the Wayo government on September 10th, vote